Headline: Oh skeptics, laughing out loud at you all. FDA approves homeopathic Ebola cure. John Bennett reports. Medicine is politics writ large despite disbelief and outrage of pseudoscientists posing as skeptics. The US Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, now regulates at least two homeopathic cures for Ebola, a hemorrhagic fever currently terrorizing West Africa. The primary traditional cure used homeopathically for hemorrhagic fevers is a dynamic extrusion of rattlesnake venom, Crotales honcratus, CROH. CROH is a drug regulated and protected under Sections 201G and 201J of the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetics Act, FDCA, of 1938. It is made from a virus substance listed in the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of the United States, HPUS. The FDCA recognizes the HPUS as the official drug compendium of the United States of America. A guide to the use of homeopathic drugs, including potencies, dosing, and other parameters, may be found by referring to the following texts: A Dictionary of Practical Materia Medica by John Henry Clark, M.D., 3 volumes, Health Science Press, and a clinical repertory to the Dictionary of Materia Medica by John Henry Clark, M.D., Health Science Press. These references must be reviewed in conjunction with other available literature on these drug substances. A search of over 1,000 FDA drugs listed by Clark and other traditional sources revealed at least 6 are indicated for the treatment of hemorrhagic fevers, and 2, that Clark reports, have been used successfully to cure it: isobaric phosphorus, elemental, and CROH venom noted above, the dynamic form of both anhydroxyl attenuations in vehicular lactose. Clark claims CROH has been used with great success in the treatment of hemorrhagic fevers, and also as a prophylactic by inoculation with it. The chief sponsor of the FDCA was a U.S. senator, who was a medical doctor trained in the use of homeopathy. Senator Royal S. Copeland of New York served as New York City's Director of Health during the hemorrhagic fever epidemic of 1918. Homeopathy is a reverse strategy of medicine, which uses an artificial agent which causes symptoms of a disease to cure a natural, epidemic, or endemic disease, similar to the artifice. In its refined form, a homeopathic agent triggers the adaptive immune system, using materials dynamized by attenuation of their orthomolecular content in isobaric hydroxyl media, materials which in their crude form are known to produce symptoms of disease as the one to be cured. As the primary strategy of epidemiology, homeopathy is the basis of the true vaccine, but is usually eclipsed by novel patent medicines that attempt to directly suppress symptoms. Warning: for legal purposes this is not to be taken as medical advice. If you have a medical problem, consult your medical doctor, or one who is licensed to diagnose medical conditions. Aspirin and other drugs taken to suppress fever have been reported by the Center of Disease Control, (EC), as well as by experienced physicians, to cause severe hemorrhaging in some severe fevers, like dengue or Ebola fevers. If you experience the symptoms of Ebola or influenza, do not take aspirin. Garcinia cola may have the same effect as aspirin. If you suspect you have Ebola, consult a homeopathic physician at once to determine your best homeopathic remedy. The virtual clinic is now open for consultations. 503-800-1970-777 help. Join the relief effort. Please call 503-800-1970-777 USA if you would like to assist in helping to organize a relief effort to help Ebola victims with homeopathy. More news to come. Please subscribe. Subscriptions are free. Thanks to John Bennett for that enlightening report. So an obvious question to the skeptic movement would be, shouldn't the almighty FDA be forced to apply for the Randi Prize? Laughing out loud, and if they don't, that means there is still no proof that FDA homeopathy even exists, right, dear skeptics? Still no evidence whatsoever, thumping the table, still. No evidence, still no evidence, still no evidence, so, there, take that. Just ignore the Ebola cures, that troublesome reality that skeptics forever run from.